big data in Japan. So, big data is an advanced utilization of media data like text, audio, video, and images. Um, data, Big data is described by five characteristics. The first one is volume, which is the size and amounts of the big data that companies manage and analyze. The second one is value. Value is the most important. From the perspective of the business, the value of big data usually comes from insight and discovery and pattern recognition that lead to more effective operations, stronger customer relationships, and other clear and quantifiable business benefits. Um, Velocity is the next one, is the speed at which the companies receive, store, and manage data. For example, the specific number of social media posts or search um, queries received within a day, hour, or other unit of time. The next one is variety. Variety. The diversity and range of the different data types include unstructured data, semi-structured data, and raw data. And the last one is veracity, which is the truth or accuracy of the data information assets, which often determines executive level confidence. Who is using big data in Japan? Japan's top ICT providers are continuously developing big data services to help advance data storage and processing infrastructure. For example, Fujitsu, Hitachi, NTT Data, and NEC are all Japanese IT companies that utilize big data to expand their company's infrastructure. Where are they using big data? High-speed band is available in many Japanese cities like Tokyo. High-speed broadband is readily available in Japanese cities. Some 80% of the population use the internet and smartphone usage, and among the highest in the world, and it's growing rapidly. Big data is used in the healthcare sector because it helps to develop personalized medicine and prescription analytics. Researchers analyze the data to determine the best treatment for a particular disease, side effect of the drugs, or forecasting the health risks. Mobile applications on health and wearable devices are causing available data to grow at an exponential rate. It is possible to predict a disease outbreak by mapping healthcare data and geographic data. Big data is also used in the media and entertainment sector due to the interest from customers to access data from any location. The media and entertainment industries are creating, advertising, and distributing their content using new business models. This is due to the customer's requirement to view digital content from any location at any time. The introduction of online TV shows, Netflix channels, etc., is proving that new customers are not only interested in watching TV, but are also interested in accessing data from any location. Why are they using big data? So I decided to focus on Fujitsu, which launched a data-driven social media platform in partnership with universities in Japan. Some strengths is it was the first company in Japan to create a data-driven social creation platform, which contributes to Japan's 5.0 society idea, which is a data-intensive society, giving them competitive advantages over other companies. Some opportunities is they build a system that can be connected with storage systems and networks, which is supported by its partners, which can be profitable for both sides. Some weaknesses are traditional storage can be costly to expand and advance big data, which can take a monetary toll within the company. Some threats are the mass amount of big data is seen as unstructured or kind of unstable in a way. Big data can be used to violate customer privacy due to the threat of cybersecurity. How to apply big data to SDGs in Japan. Big data projects like satellite imagery, geospatial data, and social media data can help the accuracy on statistics and data collection on the poverty and welfare. For instance, satellite imagery data can be used to generate small areas. For example, there was a girls stunning women's literacy and access to modern contraception in Bangladesh. So it got all this data from that and used it to help advance that SDG. Big data can also be used to track the progression and data of any of the 17 SDGs. Big data is used in healthcare sector to help determine the best treatment for diseases and forecasting health risks. It's possible to predict a disease outbreak by mapping healthcare data and geographical data. Once predicted, containment of the outbreak can be handled and plans to eradicate the disease will be made. Two truths and a lie. So the first one is big data can be used to help determine treatment for diseases. The second one is there is no Japanese company actively using big data. And the third one is big data can be costly to advance and expand. So that's it. Thank you.